Clearing your cache is like tidying up a messy space. It helps your device run smoother and apps perform better. Here's how you can do it, whether you're on a desktop or mobile device. Cache is temporary data stored by apps or browsers to help them load faster. Think of it as a shortcut. Apps like Facebook save images and pages you visit frequently, so they don't have to reload everything from scratch. While this speeds things up, too much cache data can pile up over time, slowing your device down and even causing app crashes. Regularly clearing your cache ensures your device stays efficient. If you use Facebook through a browser like Google Chrome, clearing cache is straightforward. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner to access the settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Security section, where you'll find the Clear Browsing Data option. Select this and make sure the Cached Images and Files box is checked before clicking Clear Data. This clears out the stored data and frees up space, leaving your browser refreshed and ready to perform better. For those using the Facebook app, the process is just as simple. Open the app and tap on the hamburger icon, which you'll find at the top right corner on Android or the bottom right corner on iPhone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to the browser section and tap on it. Here, you'll see an option to clear cookies and cache. Select this, and the app will delete all the unnecessary stored data, giving you a cleaner, faster experience. Over time, cache data can grow and clutter your device, leading to slower performance, storage warnings, and even app glitches. Clearing it every now and then keeps everything running smoothly. However, don't overdo it. Cache helps apps load faster, so deleting it too frequently may result in slower load times until new data is stored. That's all there is to clearing your cache. It's a quick and effective way to keep your apps and devices running smoothly. If this guide helped, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. See you in the next video.